These are two very old Whirlpool central air conditioners at an apartment building. I have never seen them running, but I am pretty sure they work. I don't know what year they're from. But yeah, I've never ever seen them running. You can just barely see the Whirlpool logo on there. I doubt I am ever going to be able to get a video of them running, but I figured I'd make a video of them just in case they do wind up getting replaced in the near future. Yeah, I just wanted to make a video of these for my archives in case they are gone tomorrow. They seriously could be gone tomorrow, because that's what I'm noticing has been happening with a lot of the older central air conditioners around here. The Lennox, the GE, all those old ACs are just disappearing. And it is very warm right now. I mean, I think it was 75 degrees when I checked weather.com last. And I drove by a bank earlier, it said 96 degrees, but I don't believe that for a minute, even with the humidity. But yeah, these are two really old Whirlpool central air conditioners at a commercial or an apartment. It might be a commercial property too, I don't have any idea, and I don't even know what that says. I think it says Green Saver right there. Whirlpool. Fake wood grain on the sides. Doesn't get any more 70s than that. Or is that a Whirlpool? I can't freaking tell. And there's some other vintage AC units on the side. I will be right back. These two air conditioners are located on the other side of the building. And even though it's all one building, it's a duplex and each side is owned by two separate people. So the Whirlpools are owned by one person, and these two, I forget what brand these are owned by another person. And I actually know a guy who lives in this side of the building. Yeah, I don't know what brand these are. Fan blades right there. These might be those old Sears. Air conditioning. Some guy from Chicago or somewhere in Illinois had a video of these running in like 90-degree weather. These exact models. I think they're Sears.
Sounds right. Yeah, they're loud. And they're hot.
Actually, the ones I saw were on YouTube were from 1965. I can just barely, it's all oxidized and shit. Pretty sure these are Sears, but I do not know for sure. Yeah, there isn't much I can film right now because the damn things aren't running, but hopefully, I mean, it is warm today. I'm hoping they'll be running. Alright, hopefully I'll be back out. So here are the Whirlpools again.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.